Today, we will talk about how to conduct a fire drill at home. Let's have a look at the details. Being prepared in the event of a house fire can mean the difference between life and death, and should it happen, there is precious little time to waste. Prepare for the worst and keep your family safe by making a fire escape plan and conducting home fire drills twice a year. The first step is making a plan. Hold a family meeting to discuss a plan. Discuss various ways you can evacuate your home safely and promptly in the event of a fire. Get everyone involved, including any children in your home. Do a walkthrough. Go through your entire house with your family and look for a means of quick escape. Make sure all doors and windows can be easily opened. Be sure there are no obstructions by these exits that could slow down your evacuation. Draft a floor plan of your home. Make sure that all exits are clearly marked, including doors and windows. Make sure you have the proper fire safety and evacuation supplies. Make sure everyone in the house wakes up when the smoke alarms go off. Practice using the fire escape ladders if you need them. Demonstrate how to configure the equipment and show the family how to use it. Choose a safe meeting place outside of your home. Use this place to meet up during drills and in the event of a real fire. Plan to keep your cell phone with you. Encourage everyone in the family to memorize local emergency phone numbers. Make a plan for family members who need help. Very young children, elderly people, and people with limited mobility may need help getting out of the home during a drill or a real fire. The second step is practicing your plan. Conduct a fire drill twice a year. Regular practice will help your family feel prepared and calm in the event of a real fire emergency. Keep the drill as realistic as possible. The point of a drill is to practice exactly what you would do during a real fire. Conduct the drill at an unexpected time. To make the drill experience more realistic and test your family's preparedness, run the drill at night, or at some time when your family is present at home, but unsuspecting. Practice different scenarios. Regular fire drills provide an opportunity to try out all of the possible escape plans you and your family have developed together. Make sure everyone stays outside until the drill is over. Put everything away as it was before the drill. That way, everyone will know how to find the things they need in case of a real fire emergency. Congratulate your family on a job well done. And the third step is learning more. Visit a local fire station or emergency preparedness center. The workers and firefighters can offer additional tips, recommendations for equipment, and smoke alarm inspections. Check out your local fire department's website. Many fire department websites feature home safety tips, information about local emergency services, and links to other useful resources. Read books on fire safety with your family. Children's books on fire safety are a fun way to get your kids involved and thinking about what to do in a fire emergency. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.